Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today what I'm going to do is I'm making a video to supplement the video that I made about the Amazon thermostat. This Amazon thermostat, you can run it through Alexa, you can run it through your phone, and so on and so forth. The problem that I solved for a lot of you is the Amazon thermostat wasn't compatible with Beckett oil burners that only had 2 wires coming up from it. There was Beckett and there's a few other ones that I heard about, but it'll work on those other ones too. You'll have to see the video and see the comments. There's some other ones. Beckett oil burners, Miller oil burners, a couple other ones. But anyways, what happens is Amazon put this thermostat out, but the 2-wire Beckett oil burners don't have the required AC wires coming to the thermostat to power this Amazon thermostat. So what I did was I resolved that problem by snaking 2 more wires from just a regular standard wall outlet. You can't see it, it's not in frame, it's down here. I snaked a wire from a standard wall outlet to the thermostat, and that's how I'm powering the Amazon thermostat to get around my furnace not having the AC output like a lot of other oil burners out there don't. Like here in Maine, I'd say 90% of the state of Maine has Beckett oil burners in it, and they can't use the Amazon until they found my video and found that you can run an auxiliary AC power supply to run the thermostat, and it works perfectly on a 2-wire Beckett oil burner. But anyways, what I want to do today is, this is just a supplement to that. I'm going to show you how to snake a wire for your thermostat down to an outlet. It just so happens my thermostat is right above an outlet. But this would work even if you were, say, to snake from your Amazon all the way down to the baseboard. At least you can get the wire out of the baseboard and then tack it along until you find an outlet, so you don't have to see it, you know, running down the outside of your wall or up through the top or just dangling. I'm going to show you how to just snake it from here down to this outlet. So what you're going to need, I'm going to go out of frame here for a second. I got a roll of just real thin 22 gauge wire. This is 4 conductor 22 gauge. Alright, and then you're going to need a snake. And let me just grab the snake here. This is a 1/8 inch steel snake. And usually if you go to your hardware store, it comes in 50-foot reels. So do yourself a favor, when you get the 50-foot reel, cut off 8 feet, because that's all you're ever going to need to snake a wall is 8 feet. And it comes with a hook. Alright, and what I like to do is, if I don't know if you can see it, but it's the hook, here's the hook here, and then it kind of like curves and it goes back and it curves back down. I like to make a nice slight S in it. That way when I put it down inside the wall, when I wiggle it around to grab my wire, it gives it a little bit more left and right movement to pick up the wire. Alright, so let me put that down for the side for a second. And how you prepare, I'm going to show you how to prepare your wire that you're going to snake up. What I do is I like to strip off, you know, a whole bunch like that. And then I'll take, and I'll cut off these 3 here. Now I just got one little thin little wire available right there. Okay? And now I'm going to get you guys up close and personal. Now I'm going to zoom in on that thermostat. I'm going to get closer and show you how I prepare up here. Let me just focus it. Alright. Now on the thermostat, it just pulls right off. And that's if this is a Amazon. There's other ones out there that my method works on too. It's, oh gosh, it's in the comments down below on the Amazon one, you'll see it. Then you pull this little door open. Pull this little door open, come on. And then there's a nice big area back here where you can snake your wire. And what I do is I take a Phillips head screwdriver, because it's almost like a drill for this sheetrock, and I just go in here and I just popped it down like that so I can have a nice path down. Alright. Then what I do is I take my snake. Alright. And let me just show you my target. My target is down here. I'm going for that outlet. And I'm going to get that wire to come right out through the bottom of this outlet. So what I'm going to do down here is you take your Phillips head and you just kind of like drill back and forth, back and forth. So that makes a nice little tiny hole. Not very big at all. And I put my wire in there and I load it right up. That's plenty. Okay. Now, I'm going to bring you back up and just show you the starting process of putting the snake in there. So you have to come up at a high angle, all right, and put your hook into the hole and then just run it down the wall. Okay, until you feel it, if you don't hit the bottom. Then once you're down the bottom, just snake it around like that, and then you whip it. You whip it. Just keep on whipping and watch your wire down below. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus you guys down at the wire. All right, I'm going to try to get in close as I can. I'm going to focus again. And I'm going to snake it. And you'll see that wire move, and there we go. I have it. Whoops, I lost it. I lost it. Hang on, I got to go back down and get it. Okay, I got it. Do I still have it? No, I don't. And you keep, this process, just keep going until you get that wire. So I'm going to add a little bit more wire in there because it all straightened out. Alright, hang on a second. I just got it trapped around the tripod. And there we go. I got the wire. Alright, let me back you guys back out. Let me just focus you. And guys, that's all there is to snaking yourself a wire from an outlet up to whatever point you want. It could be a keypad on your alarm system. It could be anything. It could be a motion detector. And this application, it happened to be a Amazon thermostat. Alright? And that's all there is to it. And what you do is you just make your connections down there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you snake a wire from point A to point B, making a very, very tiny hole. I mean, it makes a lot of electricians jealous on us low voltage guys because we use small little tiny wires, and it's amazing on how we can really snake some stuff and make it look like we never even made a hole in the wall, because a lot of our stuff is so tiny and we can just snake right through it. Any questions, comments, leave it down below. And remember, subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a coffee. And again, I appreciate every single one of you guys. And be sure to look at the companion video on this if you're having troubles with your Amazon thermostat. Take a look. Alright, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching.